In October 2017, astronomers around the world observed something they had never seen before. An object from outside our solar system was traveling through space near Earth. They named it Oumuamua, which means messenger or scout in Hawaiian. This marked the first time in history that scientists confirmed an object had entered our solar system from interstellar space. Unlike anything previously recorded, this object had a strange shape, like a long, flattened cigar. Even stranger, it didn't behave like comets or asteroids. It had no glowing tail, no outgassing of ice or gases. Its acceleration away from the sun was not caused by any known gravitational force or natural reaction. As scientists studied its path, questions grew. Some said it could be a hydrogen ice fragment, others believed it might be artificial, a kind of spacecraft or even a probe sent by an advanced civilization. But for many years, there were only guesses. The lack of clear data kept Oumuamua a mystery. That all changed with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, in December 2021. This incredible telescope has the power to see the deepest parts of the universe, using infrared light that cuts through cosmic dust and gas. JWST is helping to solve mysteries that were once considered impossible. When scientists pointed JWST toward Oumuamua, it was already far from our solar system. But the telescope still captured a real image of the object, its first ever. What they saw was unbelievable. Oumuamua looked nothing like comets or asteroids we know. Instead, it had an irregular and jagged shape, covered in craters and grooves, shaped by billions of years in deep space. Even more stunning was what its surface was made of. The telescope found complex organic materials, similar to molecules used to build life. It also detected metals and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This meant Oumuamua may have come from a completely different kind of star system. Dr. Karen Meach, a scientist at the University of Hawaii, shared her thoughts. This object is not just unusual, it's unique. The surface materials suggest it formed in an environment unlike anything we know. Her team was among the first to spot Oumuamua in 2017. The most puzzling question remained. Why was it accelerating? No outgassing was visible. This ruled out a typical cometary reaction. One exciting theory was that it could be a light sail, a device that uses light pressure to move through space, just like wind powers a sailboat. Dr. Avi Loeb, an astrophysicist at Harvard University, sparked debate when he said, "We must consider the possibility that Oumuamua is artificial. The lack of gas, the acceleration, the shape, it all points to a technology we haven't seen." While not everyone agrees with him, his theory opened new doors for cosmic thinking. James Webb's analysis showed Oumuamua reflected light in a very unusual way. It shined more brightly than it should, considering its size. Scientists found a highly reflective surface, perhaps coated in frozen metals or mirror-like materials that don't exist on Earth. Some researchers suggest it may have once been part of a young planet that was destroyed. A nearby black hole or a massive star could have ripped a planet apart, leaving behind fragments like Oumuamua. If true, then this object is a survivor of a cosmic catastrophe. Dr. Michelle Bannister, a planetary astronomer, commented, "If Oumuamua is a piece of a destroyed planet, it's carrying pieces of that planet's story. Its grooves and surface tell us about violent events in space we've never seen up close." The idea that Oumuamua could be a messenger of life is especially exciting. Some scientists propose a theory called interstellar panspermia, the idea that life's ingredients can be carried across the galaxy on rocks and ice. If true, objects like Oumuamua might spread organic molecules from one star system to another. Dr. Sarah Seeger of MIT said, "The discovery of complex organic material means we have to ask, could this be how life seeds itself throughout the galaxy?" Her research supports the idea that these travelers could be nature's way of spreading life. This makes Oumuamua more than just a space rock. It becomes a cosmic time capsule, holding ancient clues about how star systems form and evolve. And because of its age and origin, it may even carry information about the early universe itself. These new insights are sparking plans for future missions. Instead of waiting for interstellar objects to pass us by, scientists want to intercept them. They dream of spacecraft that can catch up to such objects, study them closely, and even bring back samples. One such project is called Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to create tiny, ultralight spacecraft that can travel at 1/5 the speed of light. These smart probes would be driven by laser sails, and in theory, they could reach nearby stars within a human lifetime. Inspired by Oumuamua, researchers are now designing missions that could chase and study future interstellar visitors. They hope to develop tools for interstellar archaeology, a new science that would examine ancient debris from other worlds, and maybe even other civilizations. These ideas raise bold questions. What if we're not alone? What if intelligent life once created such an object? Oumuamua might be our first contact, not through messages or signals, but through a silent visitor traveling through the stars. Dr. Jill Tarter, a famous figure in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, explained, "We have to keep open minds. The universe is old and vast. If we truly believe life exists elsewhere, we must be ready for it to show up in unexpected ways." The arrival of Oumuamua has already changed astronomy forever. Scientists are now forced to rethink their views on how objects move, how they form, and how they travel across space. Some even say we should consider the possibility that other such objects have already passed through unnoticed. The scale of the universe is so massive that events like this happen all the time, but we don't always see them. Oumuamua proved that our solar system is not isolated. It's part of a larger galactic highway, full of traffic from faraway places. Even today, new objects are being discovered that may also come from outside our system. These are called interstellar visitors, and Oumuamua is just the first. More will come. The tools and missions we build now will prepare us to meet them. James Webb's contribution to this discovery cannot be overstated. Without it, we might still be debating in the dark. With it, we now see a clearer picture of this visitor's surface, shape, materials, and possibly even its journey. Thanks to JWST, we know that Oumuamua's surface has weathered particles, exotic elements, and reflective compounds. Its brightness, its non-gravitational movement, and its deep space origin all add layers of intrigue. Its behavior might even reveal new laws of physics or confirm the presence of cosmic forces we barely understand. As we gather more data, we may find that our basic ideas about motion in space or matter under pressure are incomplete. Some believe that Oumuamua is not just an object, but a signal. Not in the traditional sense of radio waves, but as a silent message. A hint that we are part of a much larger universe, full of unexpected wonders. Could it be a probe left behind by a lost civilization? Could it have been sent here on purpose? Or is it simply natural, but so foreign that it appears artificial to us? These are the questions scientists now wrestle with. And these are the mysteries that inspire. Just as early explorers looked across oceans, we now look across galaxies, hoping to discover what lies beyond. In the future, more objects like Oumuamua will come. Some we will see, others we will miss. But each one has the power to teach us, to challenge us, and to connect us to the larger story of the universe. We now live in a time where science fiction becomes science fact. The dream of exploring other stars is slowly becoming reality. With every strange object we find, we move closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Whether Oumuamua was natural, artificial, or something we can't yet describe, its impact is real. It opened a door. And through that door, we now walk, with curiosity, hope, and imagination. Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson said it best. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. But the more we learn, the more it invites us to understand. And this object, strange as it is, invites us more than any other. For now, Oumuamua drifts silently through the galaxy. It may never return. But its brief visit has already changed us. It forced us to look up, to ask bold questions, and to dream bigger than ever before. As we build new telescopes, better tools, and faster spacecraft, we prepare for what comes next. What secrets lie in the next interstellar visitor? What mysteries wait in the dark between the stars? That is the beauty of exploration. Each answer brings more questions. And each discovery brings new light into the dark corners of our understanding. The story of Oumuamua reminds us that we are not done learning. Not even close. The universe still holds billions of secrets, and we are just beginning to uncover them. So, what do you think? Could Oumuamua be a messenger, a warning, or a gift? Is it a natural relic or an engineered artifact? Could it even be something beyond our current imagination? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment, share your theory, and join the conversation. Let's explore the unknown, together. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.